I'm Brian Cantrall. I'm an agent with Chestnut Hill Realty. So I actually got started with Chestnut Hill from an early age. My father really has been in real estate almost my entire life. You know, when I was probably 8, 9 years old, he bought Chestnut Hill, even taught me how to answer the phone. You know, if he was tied up on line 1 and the phone was ringing on line 2, sometimes he'd have me pick up. And I never wanted to get into the business. From childhood, I felt like my dad was always working. It just seemed like a high-stress job. So I ended up getting an engineering degree and ended up moving out to California, trying like the California dream, learning to surf. And I was a design engineer out there. Did that for a little while, and my father was begging me to come back to Cleveland. When I first came back, my focus was sort of on the physical sort of part of it. So I thought, I'll learn about houses, I'll learn about the different moldings and different architectural styles, and that should be the focus. And my father's push was always on the people side, so I've learned a lot from him. So the future at Cleveland, I think, is very bright. I think we have a lot going for us here, a lot of good real estate that other parts of the country don't have. They may have newer homes, but we've got really well-built, architecturally significant homes here, and all very modestly priced. The other thing we have going for us is great schools. I actually just learned that the Northeast Ohio area has the most private school seats in the country, and our public schools are great as well. I think that's a great foundation on positive future that Cleveland will have going forward. And my approach to real estate was to find out, are you looking to downsize into something more urban? Are you looking to move to somewhere warmer? Are your kids now spread around the country and you just are gonna jump from house to house to house? Until they can sort of envision that future, they can't leave the past behind them. And I think similarly for a buyer, until they really know how their life looks, what's their day-to-day look, how much commuting time are they spending, where are their kids going to school, what kind of neighborhood are they around? Are they gonna be hanging out with the neighbors for drinks late at night, or your kids playing at block parties, or are they somebody who just wants isolation and privacy? That's important for me to understand. I can really help them sort of cut through the fat and cut through the emotions, really, to be more logical about what we're looking for and how to find that house that fulfills their dream.